tutorial, we're going to show you how to update your class list when you have a change at the beginning of a new quarter or semester. We'll start with a spreadsheet similar to the one you sent us in the fall to prepare your data. We need a file that has much less data in it. We want to have only the student ID number and the name of the teacher. Let's start by removing these extra columns. Select the grade column and then click Delete. Delete the last name, delete the first name, delete the phone number, keep roll and ID, delete sex, and delete ethnic code. We also need to get rid of the row of titles. So we select it and we click Delete. Now we have only the data we want, but our student ID number must come first. I highlight column A and click Insert. Next, I highlight column C and drag the student ID numbers over to column A. We don't want to have commas in the teachers' names. The import routine will think it's two different pieces of data. Let's get rid of all the commas. Highlight column B, then hold down Control and the letter H on your keyboard. The Find and Replace window will appear. Put a comma in the top box and don't put anything in the bottom box. Now click Replace All. Click OK, and all the commas are gone. Before we save this file, let's put the staff in alphabetical order. It'll give us a chance to see if there's anything else we need to change. Select any one of the cells with a staff member's name. Then switch to the Data tools and click Sort. The list is now in alphabetical order. Let's scroll through and see if there's anything we need to change. Look here. We have about a half dozen ID numbers with missing teachers' names. We need to delete them. We'll highlight them, switch to the Home set, and click Delete. Now our file is ready to be saved. We select Save As, and then we need to tell your computer where to put the file. We'll go back to your C drive and then open a folder called HLS. The HLS directory contains folders for each of the school years. The HLS 11 folder you see here contains data for the 2011 school year. HLS 12 for 2012. In our example, we'll be using the 2013 data, so we're going to open HLS 13. You need to open the correct folder for your school year. Next, we need to change our file type. Select CSV for a comma-delimited file. Now we need a file name that we can recognize later. I'll call this one Updated Rolls. Now I'll click Save. When this first message appears, click Yes. When you close this window, you'll be asked again if you want to save. This time, click No. Now our file is saved and ready. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to import that demographic data and update your class lists.